Segment is brought to you by Hillside Garden Center.
This week is National Pollinator Week, and I think that the bees get a lot of credit for being the big pollinators, but there's so many other types.
Exactly. I mean, you mentioned bees. Honeybees are the consummate pollinator people think about. Right. And with colony collapse disorder and some of the problems with the honeybees, a lot more attention has been brought out to the alternative pollinators. And I got a flower here that as we stand here, neither one of us like the smell of it. Right. And that attracts flies because of the rank smell. And flies in this case are pollinators. Right. And there's little stone flies and other types of things in this flower. So that's very important.
And in addition to flies and bees, there's also butterflies.
Yeah, butterflies is a great one. You know, they like the ones that have tubular flowers, and everybody loves to see butterflies. So anything you can do to attract butterflies is also attracting pollinators.
Right. And we have a variety of perennials here that bloom throughout the season. Some a little earlier, some of these won't color up until late, but that's important to prolong your food source.
Exactly. They feed on the nectar on these. But the other important thing about some of the solitary pollinators, the little bees, is that they not only do pollinating, they feed on the pollen, but they're also predatory. Right. They'll eat little worms and stuff in your garden. And something as simple as this homemade bee house, yeah. If you look at it, it's got little holes, different sizes, they're plugged up with mud. Right. They bring in the caterpillars, they lay an egg, and they plug it back up, and that's houses them. And I've seen these things in cracks in firewood, old dead perennial stems where they tunnel in, so there's a lot of places that they go. All right.
So if you've got any questions about different types of pollinators or the plants that they like, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hopetelling, the Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden and Landscaping.
And you can watch Home Gardeners seasonally every Tuesday and Thursday right here on Action News at 5 o'clock. You can also catch all of our home gardening segments on our website. That's WBMG.